So, with what you see on my table, minus my microphone, let's move that. So with what you see on my table, can you guys guess what we'll be making? There's a box of some of my glitter. Take a guess. Hi guys, and welcome again to another episode of AuntDi's Grass. Today we are going, and I should have brought you one to see, but we are going to make Christmas ornaments, glittered ones. I am going to show you what I do to glitter the inside of ornaments. I have ornaments that I have done 10 years ago, this method, and they have still held up as if I just made them. So let's get going. Okay, so yes, this is my mess, and we are making glitter ornaments. Let me just get some things out of the way here. I'm just going to pick one color. I think I'll pick that color so I can put my box away. Ugh. I also have Pledge. Make sure it is the Flora Finish, Flora Wax, whatever. This bottle's actually probably close to 10 years old, and I make hundreds and hundreds of ornaments every year because I do a fundraiser with a donkey sanctuary and with a cat rescue. It's sort of funny because I don't like cats, but I love to help the animals. Anyway, so I have here two different kinds. This one's a glass one. Okay. And these ones are plastic. So we're going to do both. I usually work with, oops, falls. I usually prefer to use the glass. I don't know, I just like the looks of it better. Now, this is different things I do, especially if I'm doing a lot of them. I will get an egg carton, just like this. Pop the ends off. This way, I use it. I'll show you what I use it for. Anyways, got those ready. Got my egg carton. I bent the top, but that's okay. I'm just try to get that so it's going to be completely in view. I think that's pretty perfect. Now I've got to get this. I forgot one thing. I need to get my new ones out though. My funnel. And I need some paper towels. So I got my cloth. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your Pledge. We're going to open it. And we're going to squirt right in. Just give it a squirt. Doesn't need a whole lot. See? About just a bit. Then you're just going to roll it around. This is the plastic one. And swirl it around so all the edges get a coating. Then I take a Dixie cup. I pour in the extra first so I can reuse it, and then I stick it upside down in my egg carton. Okay? Sorry, that was the last one. This is the plastic one. Then I'm just going to use the Pledge that I poured into the Dixie cup and pour it right into my next one. And once again, swirl it around until all the edges are covered. Dip upside down, put in my drying rack. This way you can put the rest of your Pledge that you had in the container right back into your bottle for next time. And I usually let these drip, that was tough, for, let's say, I'm not thinking even right now. So I usually let these sit here and drip for 5-10 minutes. Sometimes if I'm concerned, I will go over them a second time, which does help sometimes. So if you're worried, within a couple of moments, you could go over them again, but you don't need to. So just let them sit there and drip for, like I said, about 5 minutes. So now that we've let them sit for a few minutes, you can see that there's really no more dripping, and that's what you want. You don't want the dripping. I'm going to get my glitter. I've just picked sort of this brown glitter. Don't know if it's even been opened yet. So I've got my glitter. What I like to use is a funnel. I take my funnel, I hold it over my ornament, and I pour the glitter in. Just pour a bunch in. Now you're going to just swirl that around until it covers. And you can get a cloth or something to give it a bit of a shake. And that's all. That's it. Now I'm going to get a Dixie cup to put my excess in. Dixie cups are a girl's best friend, especially for this stuff. Make sure it's out. Get my funnel, put it in the plastic one, pour the glitter in, turn it around and 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 around. When you've got just the top left, give it a little tip upside down when you're holding it and go back and forth a little bit until you get it all covered. Just like so. Dump the glitter out. Excess video glitter is all out, and you can just put the cap right back on. Once I make the cap straight again, since I bent it all. Yeah. Stupid caps. Put your cap back on, close it up. Some people glue them, I don't. Put your cap back on, the glass one, and there you go. You have a beautiful glittered balls, glass and plastic. So, beautiful, beautiful glitter. I do hope that you found this video very helpful. As you can see, the floor wax works, and now you've got balls ready to decorate. So anyways, guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Also, feel free to drop me a comment anytime. Ask questions. I will do my best to answer them. So guys, thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.